Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'll be presenting our project SkillBridge, a community-centric AI platform for personalized skill development in rural India. This project focuses on building an AI-powered multilingual learning platform that delivers personalized skill development for rural youth across India. Despite significant progress in digital education, a substantial segment of India's rural population continues to face a systemic barrier. The rural youth are disproportionately affected by language constraints, inconsistent internet connectivity, geographical isolation, and limited access to personalized learning guidance. Most existing platforms assume digital literacy and English proficiency. Furthermore, the absence of trusted certification mechanisms impacts employability. Even when skills are acquired, the learners lack tamper-proof credentials to demonstrate competency to the employers. This creates a disconnect between skill development and employment opportunities, leading to underutilization of rural talent. To address these challenges, SkillBridge proposes an AI-powered multilingual digital learning platform. The platform leverages AI to deliver personalized learning pathways and adaptive skill assessment. Additionally, blockchain technologies provide secure, tamper-proof, and verifiable certifications. By aligning outcomes with job readiness, SkillBridge bridges the gap between digital education and workforce participation. Base paper presents concept-centric evaluation, linking assessment items to an underlying knowledge graph. This enables systemic tracking of concept-wise mastery. This paper provides an overview of AI-based personalized learning systems covering learner modeling, content sequencing, and recommendation engines. This is an UNESCO guidance document emphasizes that AI should narrow the digital divide and that human teachers should remain the central. This this paper introduces multilingual video translation combining ASR, NMT, and TTS, informing our voice-first interface design. We have identified four key challenges. The first one being shortage of trained instructors in rural regions. The second one being the English centric platforms create a language barrier for the rural youth. The the fourth being the absence of trusted certification mechanisms, and the fourth being the misalignment between imported skills and local job market requirements. Our proposed solution is an AI-powered multilingual rural skilling platform delivering concept-aware, job role-mapped learning experience to in native Indian languages. It combines a voice-first interface, adaptive assessments, and a rack-backed personalized engine to identify skill gaps and recommend remedial content. Community validation ensures regional relevance, while blockchain certification on Polygon issues and tamper-proof credential system. The proposed architecture is divided into two major layers: the input-output layer and the AI engine layer, along with the community forum interface. The input-output layer serves as a primary interaction point for the learner. It includes learning materials, OBE tests, feedback reports, score evaluation, and certification generation. The learner first accesses learning material structured accordingly to the skill requirement. After completing the learning session, the learner undergoes an outcome-based education test that evaluates concept understanding. Based on the test performance, feedback report is generated. If the learner achieves a score greater than 70%, a blockchain-based certificate is issued. The AI engine layer functions as an intelligence core and a semantic and includes an semantic encoder layer along with embeddings and vector database to store the embeddings which will be used for knowledge analysis, AI adaptive questioning, and semantic similarity matching. Uh, the semantic the semantic encoder converts content into embeddings stored in the vector database. Knowledge analysis identifies the gaps and triggers an RAG-based question generation, which will be which could be also uh, verified by the community forum for peer validation. For front-end development, we use White Framework, which utilizes React and TypeScript. For styling, we use the Tailwind CSS with StatCN UI. For backend development, we use the Fast API, which uses Whisper for speech recognition, and for storing the data, we use the Supabase, which has PG Vector and PG SQL. For blockchain, we used Polygon networks for smart contracts. We have 6 modules. The user interface module manages learning materials, multilingual delivery, and real-time analytics. The RAG module converts content to embeddings. It is information and generates content-aware responses. The AI adaptive question generation module dynamically generates personalized questions based on the learner's performance. The semantic similarity module ensures quality and prevents duplication. Uh, the AI review and community engagement module automates validation along with the community verification. The certification module uses blockchain for tamper-proof digital certification using smart contracts. Now let's see the implementation. This is the login and sign up page. This is the user onboarding page. This shows the user skill requirement selection. This is the main dashboard. This shows the learning path and references. This demonstrates the multi-language interaction and multi-language content generation, and finally the certification generation module and community engagement interface. The list of papers collectively support the AI concept of AI personalization, multilingual assessment, and blockchain credentialing used in this project. Thank you for listening. This project demonstrates how AI-powered multilingual learning with blockchain certification can transform rural skill development into a credible employment ready outcome. Thank you for your time.